Hello and welcome everyone at ito na naman panibagong video na naman ang gagawa natin ng review or reaction here. Dito lang yan sa Batang Bulaga at sana samahan nyo ako hanggang sa huli. So umpisa natin para matapos na. At Happy New Year everyone!
And I love you so.
Hello everyone. Many of you will surely
Itong video
be
ito
and delighted today by the Christmas treats, special gifts, presentations, and
ginawa nila
performances
Jerome.
brought to you by Jerome Everdell. This is all happening right here on Kulada and Philippines. So what are we waiting for? Let's start watching now and enjoy the show.
Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. To hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. May days, be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Now here is the special performance gift from Ninon Jerome and Haley Red.
And I love you so.
Yan yung kanta ni Perry Como.
I live till now. I tell them I don't know. Guess they understand how lonely life has been. The day to the mind. And yes, I know how lonely life can be, and I won't set me free. But I'll live, believe Thank you very much, everybody. Now, there's more ahead. Without further ado, na natin patagalin. Take it on, man.
Viva Las Vegas!
All the souls down the drain.
Grabe dami na.
Thank you for watching People's Choice. We hope Jerome and everyone special
Kita mo si Ian Red yan. Effort na effort sa pagpapalit ng ano yan.
If you enjoyed this video, please like,
Nakakatuwa rin yung tema nila rito. Kumbaga si Ian Red palit-palit ng wig niya dyan
share, and subscribe for more
Kaya
amazing
yung mga,
content. Stay tuned for more surprises and
Tuwa kay Ian Red. Kaya lupit din ang ginawa niya
and see you in the next video.
Jerome Ibardomi dyan. At ito sa susunod naman natin ayan pala yung yung airmat ni Jerome. Ayan sa gathering ng Jeromantics Global. So ito naman i-next natin. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari. Alright, so here we go. Paano ba to? Alright, umpisa na natin.
Choice, we have some exciting news for you today. This time, we finally have the opportunity to learn about and meet the mother of Jerome Everdome, also known as the eldest clone of the Philippines. This revelation took place during a Jeromantics Global get-together. Here they are.
Siguro yung mga Jeromantics at Jeromantics Global, tuwan-tuwa Kumbaga gathering nila, get together na sa bagay gathering nila. Lupit din Kaya Jeromantics Global, Happy New Year. Rin ako diyan, kumbaga nakasama ako sa group din na 'yan. Kaya nakikita ako sa yung mga post nila nila doon. At mga video na galing sa kanila na kasama nila si Jerome, mga picture nila doon. Natutuwa ka sa kanila talaga.
Si Sir Efren from Hanggang.
Etong kantang tong Portrait of My Love ni Ruel, bagay na bagay din kay kay Jerome na kantahin
Yan ang mga hindi ko nakakapit ng dito naman! Sa kaliwa naman!
Yung ikot yan walang katawan
Sa kindat daw! Sa kindat!
Kung makikita niyo yung isang part ng video niyan, ano ba ito tawag dito, different tawag dito, spot, kumbaga ganon. Makita mo nakaharap lahat sa kanya diyan yung mga mga Jeromantics. So shoutout nga pala sa Jeromantics Global. Okay, diretso natin.
Sa kindat daw!
That makes the sky
Hep hep hooray, sabi nga daw. Galing, galing.
We love you, Jerome!
Yan na yung airmat ni Jerome. Ang kulit din Pag sumasiyaw-sayaw, patingnan niya, panoorin natin.
Si Jerome nasayaw! Kaya ikaw kakanta! Sa TikTok yan! Sa TikTok! Tamang TikTok! Talaga yung Jerome, ganda.
So take your eyes, close to mine, the silver screen, in all the way
Ayun na, nila
So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you. Oh, yeah, this whisper.
Wala, isa lang mic po. Nalubat na, nalubat.
Or is it the sky? There's no comfort in the truth. There's no
Though it's easy to dance again, I know you're not fool. Should've known better than to cheat your friend and waste the chance that I could be back. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you.
Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. We hurt each other with the things we want to say. We could have been so good together. We could have lived this dance forever. But
It's easy to pretend I know you're not a fool. Should've known better not to cheat a friend and waste this chance.
That's all for now. I am
Kumbaga mapapansin mo, mapapanood dyan yung ermat ni Jerome, ang kulit din sumasabay sa kulitan. Sa bagay, isipin mo, kumbaga, ano yan, proud mama. Isipin mo naman si Jerome, ganong kasikat ngayon, di ba? Boses lang yung bupuhunan. Pati ang galing ni Jerome talaga kasi boss niya ang galing talagang Elvis na Elvis kahit ibang bansa 'di ba bilib na bilib sa kanya kumbaga sabi nga ng mga nagko-comment sa akin sa Batang Bulaga sa dami nilang nakitang or narinig or nakita na gumaya kay impersonator ni Elvis Presley si Jerome lang ang pinaka kuwang-kuwa. Kaya yung iba talagang sabi nga nila kung may chance nga sila pumunta sa Philippines, pupuntahan nila si Jerome. Tapos yung iba nagtatanong kung kailan pupunta sa USA or sa ibang bansa si Jerome. Sa itong si Jerome yata may balak yata sila kasi inaano ni RJ or Mr. Ramon Jacinto, parang sila yata yung pupunta doon sa US para mag-perform to si Jerome kasi parang kumbaga si Mr. Ramon Jacinto number one fan ni Elvis Presley kaya suportado kay Jerome. Kita pati yung damit niya na sinuot una galing kay Ramon Jacinto yun.
sure you enjoy the small clips I presented and Merry Christmas and a happy New Year too to all beloved Geromantic Global. Be safe and good health.
So,
Welcome to
Geromantics,
People's
thank
Choice.
you
We have
very
some
much sa inyo
exciting
lahat.
news for you.
Alright. So, once again, sana susunod na video na gagawin natin reaction or review or papanorin natin na samahan nyo ulit ako at sana wag nyo makalimutan na mag-subscribe po. Okay? At sana wag pa kayong manibago sa channel ko ulit na nagbago ng medyo konti lang naman. Alright? So, thank you very much and Happy New Year and ano ba tawag doon? Belated Merry Christmas. Okay, enjoy your life. Bye!